Question 7. Suppose we wanted to estimate the true average number of eggs a queen bee lays with a 95% confidence level. The margin of error is 0.5. Suppose we also know that sigma is 10. What sample size should we use? The first thing to do is figure out which sample size formula that we need to use. Now, sample size is represented by lowercase n, and they gave us sigma. Okay, so p hat is the represents the population proportion for a sample. It represents a sample proportion. Okay, so they didn't give us that. And this right here, this is used when you don't know what the sample proportion is. Okay, so that you use this when you know what the sample proportion is. You use this one when you don't know what the sample proportion is. But they gave a sigma, so that means that we're going to use this last formula right here. Okay, so here's the formula that we need to use, and they said that sigma was equal to 10 and the margin of error was equal to 0.5. But I also need to know what that z value is going to be. Now, what they gave me was a 95% confidence level. Okay, so 95% confidence level. And I'm going to use this to find my z-score. Okay, so here's my table, and we are looking for a confidence level of 95. So here it is. And that I need a z-score, and there it is right there. So 1.96 is the z-score that I need to use in my formula. Okay, so I have everything I need to plug into this formula. Okay, 1.96 times 10 divided by 0.5 and the whole thing squared. Okay, so what we get is 1,536.64. Okay, now because we have a decimal, we're going to round up to the next integer. So this is actually going to be 1,537 for our final answer. Okay, so n, or our sample size, is equal to 1,537.